Hey guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to btech YouTube channel. You all know that it's been a while that I didn't post any video on our channel, but from now on I'll be posting all the YouTube jobs related as well as cooling round solutions etc. on YouTube channel. Okay, so do subscribe and just stay tuned on our channel to get latest updates. So initially, let me dive to the past. Like let me do the time traveling. Swiggy. So let me click search for Swiggy. So here are the Swiggy codes. Like this is for the pattern one, and this is for the flashcard, and this is for the BMI calculator codes. So this all codes are passed with all test cases. Like you will be having the code and detailed explanation in this video. And in this video I brought you another coding question from the Swiggy. So one of our candidates have written a test and it got very successful. All test cases passed. Okay, so let us see what is the entire thing and let's dive into that. So here you go with the question. The first question is like React birthday records. Complete the birthday records component that sorts a list of people by name and by age. Certain core React functionalities have already been implemented. Complete the React application as shown below in the order to pass all the unit tests. Excuse me. So these are the entire architecture or design has to be later. So once you click on the sort by like name, the list has to be sorted by the name, and in case if they click on age, so it should be sorted based on the date of birth. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So here you see. Okay, so let us see the component and the functionalities. The application initially state display table where the sorted list of people records must be rendered. A range of buttons to sort by name or age are toggled when clicked, so that only one is selected at a time. Clicking the radio button to sort by name must sort the list by assigning name. So as we know, so clicking the radio button to sort by age must sort the list by decreasing age. Example, assigning date. So when they click on the name, the list has to be in ascending order, but when they click on the age, it should be in the descending age. Okay, so that's keep in your mind like when you code. Okay, the following data test ID attributes are required in the component for the test to pass. The radio button to sort by name should have a data test name attribute name, and radio button to sort by age should have the data test ID attribute age. So we'll be doing it later. Okay, when we write the code. So the table displaying the names and dates should have the data test ID is equal table. Okay, so please note that the component has the above data test ID attributes for the test cases and certain classes and IDs for rendering purpose. It advised not to change them. Okay, so that's the question, guys. So entire question that like once we done with the code, we need to run these commands like npm start, npm test, and npm install. Okay, so let us see the default code which they have provided. Okay, so this is the default code, guys. They have provided like they have given h8k components, but as this is an online compiler, so I don't use h8k navbar header. So basically it should be in this manner, right? So in the picture they have showed like, so it will be, so once you use 8k, so it will be in this manner, the header will be in this manner. But as of now it is an online compiler and it doesn't support me any library, so I have commented out this code and use just the title here. So you just need to modify later it. Okay, so let us see the default code. So title birthday records, and they have given the radio from components radio, table from table. Let us see into that file. So the title and then the radio and table. So here we need to render the component and the parameters we need to send the components. So let us see the radio one. So import React, and then React in radio you see. So they have given the layout and then name given by sort by name and age. So this is the sort by name and age. Okay, so and in the app.js we have first install the radio button, right? So radio component. So in radio component what are there? Sort by name and age. So we have the sort by name and age, and then in table we need to, so in table you see, so this is the entire data set they have given. So they have given already, so we need to use that. Okay, I thought I wrote the code. Okay, but see, okay, so this is the code they have given in the table, like person name and date of birth. Like you see, person name and date of birth is there. So that's it. That's the default code. Let us see how we need to modify this code so that we get the data. So first of all, we need to go to the app.js and we need to make some modifications here. Okay, so let us see that we have the title birthday records, and then in function app, let us have a use state. Okay, so let me create a const run square bracket sort by and set sort by is equal to, don't worry about the errors, we will be sorting out once we done the code, state of null. So we have the use state. then we need to get the people's data. So where we have the people's data in table.js, just you copy this code, const people, you cut this entire code. Okay, once you have cut this entire code, go to app.js and you paste it here. Okay, and then you close it with a semicolon. Okay, so just getting the data from tables and here, so directly you can add into another file, you can call it, but let it be easy. Okay, so let us write the parsing data const parse date is equal to, now with the date string str, and then use arrow functions, open the arrow functions, then split the entire data const month and then day comma year. Okay, and then what you need to do, you need to add the data stir dot split of split based upon slash. So in data you have see, so like 11 slash 30 slash 2011, right? So we are only splitting based on the slash I. Okay, slash symbol. Now we need to return new date of year. So why we are doing this, just to sort based on the age, month minus 1 comma day. Okay, hope you understand. So now we are done with the parse date. So now what you need to do, you need to we need to get the based on the age also, right? No, sorry, age, not sorry, it should be name. Okay, sorted people is equal to, let's get the people data, people array, people. So where is the people array? So this is the people array. Okay, entire data. So we are getting into entire data and then adding the sort function, comma sort of a comma b. Okay, let me get another square, a comma b, and then you open it, open the square bracket curly braces, and we need to write the conditions here. If sort by double equal to name, triple equal to name, what you need to do, you need to return a dot name dot local compare of b dot name. Okay, and or else if sort by table equal to age, what you need to do here, you need to return parse date of a dot birth minus parse date of d dot birth. Okay, so once we have done with this, and then in case if there is return 0, just return 0, that's it. And what you need to do, you need to pass the sort by and sort by people data into this component. So let us do this here, do the modification in radio. So in radio we need to pass to sort by, which is a sort by, and close it, and then we need to pass the set sort by, space set sort by is equal to set sort by, and then close the curly brace. And then in table we need to pass the people's data, right? So which is a sorted people data. Okay, PEO people is equal to sorted people. So we have done with the passing of the components, but what we are doing is we are so okay, let us see the error. So here you see we have unknown use state. What you need to do, you need to import the use state from React. So bracket use state, not square, it should be comma bracket use case. So entire everything is you said, yeah, all done. Okay, let it be. So let it be for till now. Did I miss anything like sort by use state? No. Okay, let that be. And let's see another file called radio.js. So let us do the modifications here. So in radio.js in app.file we have sent the two parameters. One is sort by and another one set sort by. So we need to get the values in this function like sort by and set sort by. Okay, and then what you need to do, so default layout they have given, so sort by they have given, and then in the text they have mentioned like, so let us see the picture conditions here. the radio button sort by name should have the data test attribute name, and the radio button sort by age should have the data test ID attribute age. So just we need to keep in our mind, like we need to add this attribute to the input fields. So let us see the input fields here. So we have the input field radio, data test ID is equal to name they have given, and then we need to pass the parameters here, like check is equal to, open the flower brackets, and then sort by triple equal to name. Okay, and then on change, on every click what we need to do, on change change c should be capital. Okay, on change is equal to, open curly braces, close curly braces, and open the arrow functions, set sort by of, hope you are able to see, right, sort by of name. Okay, all done. So we have done with the input field for the name. So let us do the same for the radio button for the age also. So age they have given, so let me write below. Okay, don't get confused. So I'll be writing here, so let me get this also done so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, so now in age what you need to do, we need to be passing the check value, same values, just you copy this and then you paste it here, and in spite of name you put it age and sort by age. Okay, so all done. Till now we completed everything. Okay, and then so mostly we have done in the radio file. So let us go to the table file. So in table also we have passed one parameter in app.js, like we have passed sorted people. So let me go to the table, like we need to get the peoples, right? So open the flower brackets here, people, and then this code is not required as we already placed in radio app.js. Okay, just we remove that, and then we have table, class name, date of birth, and person. But what you need to do, you need to render the people's data, like we have passed the people data, but it's complete an array. Just we need to iterate over the array to get the data, like just remove all of that, type people dot map of person comma index, put the arrow function. Okay, open the branches, and then you need to have the tr tag, tr key is equal to index. If we don't choose index it will be getting error, so that's one of the property of react. Okay, slash tt. So in tt we need to pass the person name as well as the person age, person dot name, and then tt person dot age. Okay, so once you have done with all this, then you need to close the tr tag slash tr done. So mostly it's everything done, I guess, like it's showing some error. So let us see what is that error is. So I think, did I miss any parameter? Mostly no, but let us see. Can't assign to read property message of the object index component or just JSX must be wrapped in enclosement tag. Did you use JSON fragment? Okay, so we have tbody dot map of, let us decode. Okay, no worries. So we are getting the people's data from here, and then we got into the div, and then we have tbody people dot map of person comma index. Okay, we have done same, and tr key is equal to index, td person name slash td person name slash td, and everything looks good. Why it is showing error? Okay, I think I missed the semicolon here. Did that solve? No. Okay. Oh, my bad. So I think it should be inside the, yeah, yeah. So now I got to know what is the mistake. Okay, so now, so guys, so here you see, so the entire output have came. Okay, so just a small modification that we need to do. Okay, so let us see the, once click on name. Yep, so we have sorted based on the name like ACEJMRTW, and then once we click on age, so 291891982199219992 and 1999 2001 2011, so and so. So these are the entire outputs is, and it's a bit lengthy video, but you just have a patience to listen to the end of the video, like it will be worth watching. And then do subscribe our channel for latest job coding questions and then placement opportunities, drives, and in case if you need any help, just go to our Instagram handle btech career guide. Okay, or join in our Telegram and ping me from there, or you can directly ping me on my LinkedIn profile. I'll be helping you for the coding round or any other solutions. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys, and I hope you catch up in the next video. All the best. Bye bye.